Bread and butter pudding. Subscribe and click the bell to never miss an update from Jimjan Kitchen. Take 50 grams butter and 8 bread slices. Butter one side of each bread slice and set aside. Cut off the bread crust. This is optional. Cut these into squares or triangles. Take 2 eggs and beat well. In a saucepan, take 1½ cup milk. Turn on the flame. Add 100 grams sugar. Do not boil the milk. Stir until all the sugar dissolves. We only need to heat the milk so that the sugar dissolves completely. After the sugar dissolves, turn off the flame and pour the eggs. Mix well. If you see any lumps, you can strain this mixture. Now line a baking tray with parchment paper. You can also grease it with butter. Arrange the bread pieces on the tray. Add 10 gram cashews, raisins and black raisins as required. Pour the egg mixture slowly over the bread. Bake in a water bath at 150 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes, or you can make it on a gas stove. Boil water in a large vessel. Place a stand. The water in the vessel should be till the level of the stand. Place the baking tray over the stand. Cover it and let it cook on medium flame for 45 minutes. Keep checking the water level and add more water if required. After 45 minutes, the pudding rises up. Turn off the flame. It will collapse after it cools down. After it cools down, remove it from the tray. Lightly coat it with mango jam. Garnish with candied cherries. Bread and butter pudding is ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.